spin it again for you. Tiger, it's a fidget spinner. Spin it. Good boy. Slow down. You're pushing it. Look, Tiger, you're pushing it. And you need to push it for you. Oh, you like that. It's funny, right? Fidget spinner's moving. You just knocked it with your little wheeled ball. It's okay. Come on, push it. Oh, you want to be done, don't you? Okay. You want to be done. Look how cute you are.